Hey everyone, so today is a super exciting day on our channel because I'm making chocolate chip cookies. Can't even say that without grinning ear to ear. Yes, so this recipe comes from our friend Christine at thelectinfreegourmet.com. She has an awesome blog and we've made some of her recipes in the past and they've always turned out good, so I have high hopes for the cookies. But my expectations aren't too high because can you really make awesome chocolate chip cookies that are plant paradox compliant? We'll find out. So this probably won't be the last time I make chocolate chip cookies and it won't be the last recipe because I'll keep making them until I find one that's my favorite. Who knows, maybe it's this one. So this is gonna be a real quick video so I can get right to the good stuff, which is the taste test. All right, let's just get these ingredients together, get it mixed up, and I'll put the recipe in the video. I will also put the recipe in the text description down below the video. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing here is the recipe says that these do not melt into shape, so you need to actually press them into cookie shapes. Looks like I got a dozen of them, decent sized cookies out of that. So let's put them in the oven. Guess what? The cookies are done.
Hooray!
And look who's here.
Oh, just in time.
Why I slaved away for hours making these.
It's like that Rice Krispies commercial where she's like sitting in the kitchen reading and she throws a puff of flour on her face as she takes them out.
These were actually pretty easy to make. They're actually very lightweight. Almost feel more like a pumpkin chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh. Not
super dense. So I'm gonna grab a cookie, you grab a cookie. Here we go.
I am not a dark chocolate person.
So the dark chocolate chips are coming through pretty strong.
Pretty strong.
I actually like dark chocolate. So my first recommendation is, and I don't even know if they make them, I'm sure they do. But if you don't like dark chocolate, you might want to try and find a sweetened version of chocolate chips, but like obviously sugar-free, plant paradox compliant.
But not sweetened with sugar.
Yeah, 100% honest. It really doesn't taste like a Mrs. Fields chocolate chip cookie. But like I said in the beginning, I didn't expect that. I am not a fan of like a lot of the milk alternatives, and we don't have any milk that we would dip it in, so we're not dipping it in milk. But I can imagine these would soak up milk beautifully. So definitely worth making if you're like, no, I don't like dark chocolate, I don't like the bitter bite to it. A lot of people do is they get their favorite like darker chocolate candy bar and just flake it out or chunk it up.
Oh yeah.
So you could get like a 70% dark or 70% chocolate bar that has some sweetness, one that you like. Chop that up and use that instead.
Yeah, there you go.
That might be a good way to do it if you don't like dark chocolate. If you're a dark chocolate fan, you're gonna really like these.
Die. Run to the store and make these.
Because this is 100%.
Yeah,
Meaning there is no
absolutely.
sweetener in these chocolate chips.
Yep.
So the cookie helps make up for it. And
we're all covered in chocolate.
all right.
And thank you to Christine for all the work and making
figuring
this
that out.
fantastic recipe that we can try out and share with everyone. Awesome job. Thank you.
And if you're not subscribed, then you better click subscribe because this is far from the last batch of cookies we're gonna make. We're gonna be making pies and cookies and cakes and all sorts of stuff.
Especially for the holidays. We're
Yeah.
gonna get you guys overloaded and get you through the holidays sugar-free.
And grain-free.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks everyone. We'll
Thanks
see you
so
next time.
much.